Hi everyone. In the series of tenses, we are going to study one more tense today, that is future continuous. In my last class, you studied simple future tense. That is used for making simple statements about your future plans or future actions. Today, we'll go further. We have three tenses: present, past and future, and four forms of each: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous, and we are going to do future continuous. Now, what is future continuous? By looking at the name itself, you can understand that the action which will be done in future, and it will be in progress. It will not be just done at one point of time, but it will be continuing over a period of time. Means whatever time we are talking about, the action will be in progress. So that is what is future continuous. In future, the action will be continued. Now let's look at the use of future continuous tense. To express an action that will be going on at a given point of time in the future. So when we are talking of some action, so at a point of time in future, that action will be in progress. That is what continuous speaks about. Example, we shall be having a party next week. So, because party will continue for some time, next week we are talking of a party, so we shall be having. Then, when I reach Manali, this is time in future. It will be raining. So, rain will be in progress. So, this is how we use future continuous tense for the actions which will be in progress in some time in future. Right? So now it's very simple. Just we go to the form, and the form is subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. So be is included here, an ing form. This is new about. In simple future, we only use will or shall and first form of the verb. But in this one, in future continuous, we will have will or shall plus be plus ing form. So something will be happening. Okay. Now let's look at the examples. There are three types of sentences: affirmative, negative and interrogative. Affirmative are simple statements, negative have not, and interrogative are question sentences. When you reach Panipat, it will be raining there. So what is in future continuous? It will be raining there. When you reach Panipat, this is some time in future. When you reach Panipat, it will not be raining there. This is negative, and interrogative will be when you reach Panipat, will it be raining there? Okay. So this is interrogative. Another example, we shall be taking off in a minute. We shall not be taking off in a minute. Shall we be taking off in a minute? Question one. Question sentence. Now, I shall be waiting at the bus stand. I shall not be waiting at the bus stand. Shall I be waiting at the bus stand? All future continuous. In the absence of teacher, they will be making noise. In the absence of teacher, they will not be making noise, and in the absence of teacher, will they be making noise? Next is, when you meet him next, he will be wearing his school uniform. So future continuous is will be wearing his school uniform. When you meet him next, he will not be wearing his school uniform. When you meet him next, Will he be wearing his school uniform? So this is a question. So this is how you have three forms, three types of sentences of future continuous: affirmative, negative and interrogative. You must learn to change from one to another. Right. Now next, I hope it's very clear, because something will be in progress in coming time, that is future. And at any point of time, whatever we talk about in form of action or in form of state of a time like when you reach Panipat, that is time, but action when you meet him next, right? So like this, something will be in progress. Now let's look at the exercise. Okay, so what you have to do, you just copy this exercise in your notebook and complete it. Wait a minute. Yes, future continuous. So what do you have to do? You have to fill in the future continuous form of this verb which is given in bracket. Now I see him tomorrow. So what will you? I shall be seeing him tomorrow. I shall be seeing him tomorrow. You can also use I will be seeing him tomorrow, because we can use will when we are determined. Now he will be taking the exam in March. Okay. At this time tomorrow we will be watching a film. He will be coming to us tonight because he is going out. He will be coming to us tonight because he is going out. Now, will you be going to the market today? Question. Will you be going to the market today? Try to understand these. You can fill. In March next year, we will be celebrating our annual day. She will be making all the arrangements herself. The mall will be closing in 5 minutes. Which school will you be sending your son to? Then I will be waiting for you at the station. Minu will be doing her homework the whole evening. It should be M-E-E-N-U, Minu. Then, will they be inviting us all to lunch tomorrow? Will they? This is a question. Will they be inviting us all to lunch tomorrow? I will not be staying with my aunt during the holidays. Determination. You can also write I shall not be staying with my aunt during the holidays. Then it will be raining when we come back. And will you not be needing your laptop for the seminar? Will you not be needing your laptop for the seminar? So this exercise you do in your notebook. You can copy it down easily, right? Whatever assignment I give you at the end of the week, that you send to me. I'll inform you. Okay? So, enjoy learning tenses. These tenses are very useful. They are useful for writing as well as spoken English. Practice them as much as you can. Revise all the tenses which are being done or which have been done, because unless you revise them, you will not be able to learn. Fine? Okay then. Bye-bye. See you day after.